So I get a message asking for a super simple overview of what email marketing is all about. So here it is, plain and simple. Email marketing is a type of communication between a business, whether it's a company, an organization, a nonprofit, whatever that organization is, and its subscribers. It revolves around sending periodic emails between them to exchange information. And notice I say between them, not just one way, it's both ways, because the organization might be doing most of the talking, but you still want your subscribers to reply and share things with the organization at some point. So who are these subscribers that we're talking about? Well, these are people who are giving you permission to email them. They can be customers who have already bought from you before. They can be leads who maybe are almost ready to buy from you, or people who are simply waiting to get more information about you and what you do. So here are the 5 most important parts of email marketing that you want to pay attention to, even if you have never even thought about doing email marketing. Number 1, easy. Don't overcomplicate things. Approach mass email as if you're talking to a friend. It really is just that, sharing things that you want to share. So the simpler the message, the easier it is to understand. Right? Number 2, we're talking about sharing. What are we sharing? Well, it can be insights, news, updates, observations, lessons, questions, testimonials, anything that you want to share with your audience. And you can do it in a million different ways. Connect. It's really not just about sales, it's about connections. And I honestly look forward to receiving email from specific people every week because their content is amazing, or sometimes every single day. So try to do the same thing with your audience. You just need to email your audience something important, something valuable, and use that to connect on a deeper level than if you were just doing things on social media or in any other medium. The last 2 things are about tech, your email service provider, your ESP. And you can use a free one. There's a lot of them. One of them is MailChimp, another one is MailerLite. Just use those to send mass emails because it's actually better than having to send your Google email or another type of email. And the last one is simple. You don't need to overcomplicate things. Don't even the design. If you want to send just words, that's actually really good. Just send words. It doesn't have to be anything more than that. But if you want to maybe spice things a little bit with your logo there, you can go to Canva, maybe create a header, but you don't really have to. It's really very simple, very easy designs. It's really about the content of the email. So there you go, the 5 most basic and useful information that you can use so that you can go right now and create a mass email for your audience. Obviously you need a list, so we have to start with that first, but you can apply it to any type of holiday, any type of moment, whenever you're ready to send emails to your audience. So the basics always stay the same. Just have fun with it, enjoy it, and get people to hear from you. My name is Miri Lenov, email marketer, and I would love to hear from you if you need any help with emails. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.